Hello, old lady in the mud house. Well, I got some bad news yesterday. My truck is in the garage again. When you think you're getting ahead and the universe punches you right in the gut. Last time I got the truck fixed was the transmission. Now it's worse. It's the computer, water pump, and the bill is even bigger. So I don't normally ask for help, but it would be great if people could give me a hand. I did do a GoFundMe. I'll put it in the description and on my community page. Gonna be tough, and if you can't help me out financially, if you could just pray for me to find a way to pay for this. All right, thanks everybody.